Your time is valuable. We know that and we want to respect it. That's why we encourage everyone to schedule service appointments ahead of time. We make the scheduling process fast, easy, and convenient at tiptonford.com and on the FordPass app. From our website, hover over the Service and Parts tab, click on Schedule Service, and follow the prompts from there. With the FordPass app, you'll need to register your vehicle and set Tipton Ford as your preferred dealer. Once you do that, you can schedule service, view past service visits, or pull up your vehicle's full maintenance schedule. You'll even get reminders when your vehicle is due for a checkup. Having the app means you get points too, which you can use to pay for future service appointments. Appointments are best because they help us provide timelier, faster service. At the end of the day though, we are committed to helping you find a solution should you have an emergency. Bottom line, if you drive up or get towed into our shop, you're still going to find help. Learn more about our services at tiptonford.com and be sure to follow us on social media for more Tipton tips on how you can spend less, drive more.